everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial. So I have a new model. She's Megan Wolf and I actually first saw her on Married at First Sight UK and I saw her hair and I was like, I need her in, and she came. She's very nice. So we are going to be doing like an edgy braid today. So you know the bubble braids that you see people wearing, but we're going to be doing like a sort of woven one today. Megan has had this style before. It looks amazing on it, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I am using Lalas prep tool, which is basically like a micro crimper. You have not got to do this, but I'm just doing it because it does give the hair 3 times the volume. So when I'm going to be pulling this bubble braid, it's going to go nice and big, but it's not essential. You don't have to do that. I will put the link in the description for you. So we are going to be putting ponytails into the hair, and I want this style really edgy. I don't want it soft. I don't want to bring the sections back like this. No, I want them to go really severe up. So the easiest way I've found to do that is I'm going to start from the part and come straight down. Make sure it really is just vertical, straight down. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, and I'm coming to sort of just before the ear. I'm then going to be taking these 2 sections up, meeting in the middle, and this is going to be our first hair tie. So what I want you to do is use either a hairspray or a wax spray, because we don't want any fluffies, we don't want any bits falling down. And then I'll just take my comb and really work that hair up. I want it to be nice and tight. Now you can just leave this elastic out, but I am going to wrap it by just taking a really small section of hair, wrapping it around a few times, and then I kind of pinch around the back there, grab another elastic, pop that elastic in, push it down, and that's all covered. And now I'm just going to pop this ponytail out my way by using this grip. Leave that there, make sure Megan can actually see. And we're going to do exactly the same. So I want that comb to come bang straight down vertical. So just popping in that elastic, really trying to keep that tension in as I'm doing this, guys, because like I said, I want it to be like a severe tight, like braidy braid. I don't want it all soft and romantic, so yeah, keep that tension. Flip that over and just keep making your way down the hair right until the bottom here, and then make sure that your last one really sits on the neckline. So I'm just releasing these ponytails down. That's them all in now. Okay guys, we're going to be working with the top 2 ponytails. So top ponytail, you're going to take a section of hair. That one's going to come down. You're going to take a section out of this second ponytail here, and that one comes up. We're going to go again. This section here comes down. Take another section from the second ponytail. That one comes up, and I'm only holding the ones that are coming up. I'm letting these ones fall down. So we'll go again. Section from the top comes down. Section from this one comes up. So we're basically just exchanging sections. So last one, this one's going to come up and that one's going to come down. And we've got all of our sections here, like that. And these are going to come forward and just be tied out of the way. And all these sections here are just going to be combined into the next ponytail down. So it's like a woven effect. It looks really complicated, but as we get going, you'll see what I mean. So just tying an elastic there. Okay, I'm going to release this down really carefully. Now all these sections here, I'm just going to tease these out, and because they're being held with elastics, we can go big. So you'll probably be able to see better from this angle. So we've got a top ponytail and the one underneath. Okay, we're going to be exchanging. So I'm going to take a small section from the top, that's going to come down. Section from the ponytail underneath, that's going to come up. Small section from the top, that's going to come down. Section from the one underneath comes up. So it's just like exchanging those sections. So small section from the top, down it comes. That one goes up. And just keep going until you've run out of hair. There we go, like that. So this one comes up out the way, so just pin that out the way. And all these sections now get added into the next ponytail down with an elastic. Release that hair down, and again, tease this up. So it's kind of up to you guys how big you want this braid to look. I think we're gonna go fairly big today. I think it'll look really nice on Megan. But I can always do a little bit more teasing out afterwards. So I'm going to show you one more time, guys. So top ponytail, bottom ponytail. Section from the top one comes down. Section from the bottom one comes up. Section from the bottom one comes down. Section from the top one comes up. I'm just going to keep going through that hair, exchanging those sections. These ones you keep holding up, the bottom ones you can just let them flow down. Clip these out the way. Add them all together into this one. Okay guys, so I'm nearly at the end now, but I am going to continue this braid, maybe 1 or 2 sections down the back. So I'm just going to be continuing, sort of swapping these sections over. But I will just show you how to sort of combine them without a ponytail underneath. So that one's coming down, this one's coming up, that one's coming down, that one's coming up. So now these sections that are falling down, before we were combining them into the next ponytail down, but we haven't got a ponytail, so all I'll do is just literally take hold of them and combine them all together and put an elastic in. That's it. And we're going to do 2 more sections like this. Okay, so to finish off the braid, all I'm going to do is take this kind of top lot of hair here and just bring it down a little bit, join it all together, and then almost like create a last sort of piece by just taking these sections. But you can see why it's like a bubble braid, but it's just so much more interesting because you've kind of got like the woven hair. And you can definitely pull it bigger if you want to. You can pull this braid way bigger than this. So that is our braid done. What are you saying, guys? Is this a bit too edgy for you, or do you think you could pull it off? Megan definitely has the bone structure for a style like this. I'm going to do a spin so you can see from all angles. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!